Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so here we're trying to show that if we had a 12-cent coin, the cashier's algorithm would not always produce change using the fewest coins possible, right? So let's say we have our typical coins, so the quarter, dime, nickel, and penny, but also this 12-cent coin. Okay, and then let's say we wanted to produce 15 cents in change. Well, the cashier's algorithm would have us looking at the first, can we use a quarter? No. Okay, but then can we use a 12-cent coin? Yes, we can use one 12-cent coin. Okay, so now we need to make 3 more cents in change. Well, the dime isn't useful, the nickel isn't useful, but the penny is, right? So then we would get also 3 pennies, and this gives us a total of 4 coins. But if we had our standard arsenal without this 12-cent coin, and we wanted to make the same amount of change, we would start with a quarter and see we can't use that, so that's still not helpful. And then we would get to the dime here. Okay, so we can in fact use a dime. So we would take 1 dime, and that's useful. And then we would move on, say, well, second dime is too much, so let's go to the nickel. Can we use a nickel? And the answer is yes. So we can use 1 nickel. And that's our 15 cents. So that created 2 coins, right? So it's half the number of coins than without